Okay, so this is going to be a completely unedited video. So we'll see how we go. It's a little different from my normal ones, but I posted something similar on Instagram and people just seem to understand what I was saying. And I think you have to be a certain age for it to kind of hit home. I love getting older. I think it's such a privilege. I really do. I don't mind the changes in my face and my body. I want to get older. I want to be healthy, but I want to get older. It's a privilege. But the one thing I miss about my youth, about being in my 30s, was the lightness. I felt light, and I feel so heavy all the time with worry and fear and problems. And I was in the gym on Sunday, and there was this gentleman who was next to me. He seemed very pleasant, and he was about a decade younger than I was, and he had a great face, and he was more handsome than me, and he was fitter than me, and he looked so light. And I felt incredibly envious of him, of every part of him. I wondered what his life looked like, and I just felt envious, not of his youth, but of the lightness of his being. He seems so carefree, and I am not carefree. And I missed it. I miss that carefree nature that happens when you're younger. You have less fear, less worry. And it's bizarre. But I wanted to share it because it is 100% accurate and honest about how I am feeling recently. I feel very heavy. It's been a horrible year, and I feel bruised and scarred and heavy. And I miss feeling light and buoyant and carefree. Yeah. So let me know in the comments if you can relate to what I'm saying. Let's see. Thanks so much. Bye.